This is the heart of Camogie and hurling in Four Roads. This is the area of Four Roads, are often known as Gradam, and this area is synonymous with hurling and camogie for a long number of years, and it's a community sports park. It's not a GA pitch per se, but it's primarily GA games that are played here, as in hurling, ladies football and camogie. I suppose as a child we just played hurling up the fields and everywhere else. We didn't really have a club per se. I think it was 1972 a club was formed. Now, I was already 16 years of age. 1973 we won a junior title, and by 1977, 78, 79 we were senior champions. And unfortunately a number of key players and key leaders maybe left the club through marriage and different things, and it actually folded again. So we got it going again in 1992, and really it has gone from strength to strength since here in the club. If I wasn't the player, I was the coach, I was the administrator, I was something else, and it's like a drug, I can't seem to give it up. I'd say I was about 18 when even though I was only playing a couple of years myself, when I took my first team of under 12s or whatever they were, under 14s. I look back at the photo and I look about 18 and they look about under 12. That's all I can remember about it. When we came back in 1992, when we reformed here in 1992, there really was only a few of us, doing the work. So I coached every single team here from under whatever age they were, 7 to whatever, 30 or whatever age they played. There was no team I didn't coach for a number of years, along with maybe one or two other people. The main thing we did was we spent a lot of time trying to draw up the first kind of code of behaviour or code of best practice in youth sport. Now, at that stage we were kind of almost forerunners, if you like, because the GA didn't have much at that stage. But then all that changed, and all the different members of the Gaelic Games family kind of rode in together, and we brought out our games, our code. So the different organisations basically all worked together. For me it was great to be Connacht chair and to serve on our Corla for a number of years in the early part of 2012 to 2014, and serve on resource management committees and so on. But probably our greatest achievement has been along the lines of child welfare, where we have seen huge changes in the way everything has operated, if you like. On the coaching side, I suppose it's the fact that so many young girls in the parish play camogie, and we've provided something for girls around here where there isn't really that much opportunities other than that. When you live in a small farm and community like this, you don't have as much opportunities as you would in towns for other pastimes and that type of thing. Well, it means a lot to me. I'm a very long time involved in the organisation, and I see this as a recognition, I suppose, of the many years of work and dedication I've put into the Gaelic Games family, really. While we do it for our own satisfaction as well, it is nice to be recognised, and I'd like to thank the President of the GA for the honour of receiving this award.
Tá sé namding brise a thógannta níos, ach be mí de raisin sa ibar an chrócaigh Saravad. Mar sin, Fannig Ealing.
Last kick of the game against the Dubs. All